Hey guys, Marcus here with BlackOvis. Today I want to talk to you about a new brand that we started carrying this last year, one that I'm personally really excited about. I ran these for the last couple of years and I've come to love them. This is Thorn Broadheads. So what's really cool about this broadhead is its hidden blade design and rip tip mechanics. So the blades on this are completely enclosed. You don't have anything coming out of this. Once this tip penetrates a deer hide, it will catch, pull back, and these blades will extend and go into place. What's really fascinating about these is how accurate they are out at long distances. Your long range field accuracy is going to increase significantly with the mechanical broadhead, and I would say with Thorns even more. These are a really exciting and unique setup. Like I said, I've been running and have really come to love, gotten great results. Now I want to start out by taking you through the broadhead line that Thorn has with the Thorn Rift 2.2. 2.2 stands for the 2.2 inches of cut diameter that this has. Because the blades are a little longer and because they enclose completely inside the ferrule, your ferrule is going to be a little bit longer, but you're going to receive a bigger cut. Moving along to the OG, this is a 1 3/4 cut diameter, so you're going to have a slightly smaller ferrule, but you're also going to have a little smaller cut diameter. Both very accurate, very awesome broadheads. Now moving past their broadheads that have that very unique enclosed blade design with the rip tip mechanical front, we're going to move on to their latest broadhead that they've come out with. It is called the XV. Now the XV has a cut-on contact system where there are two pieces on the front of this. It's a front deploy system where when they make contact, these blades are going to spread and open up. Now this is also a very accurate broadhead. Tested this out during turkey season. You're going to expect the same accuracy across this entire line of broadheads. What really sets this company apart is what you're going to find in the two broadheads I covered earlier, which is the Rift 2.2 and the OG. This XV, you're going to see this design in a few other companies as well. It's very successful as well, but you're going to see similar accuracy across this entire line. Now to finish off, I wanted to talk about their last broadhead that we offer, and this is the Crown. One I have not used, but it is a fixed blade, pretty interesting. The cut on this is crazy. When you look at it, you see about 4 blades coming out of this in different directions. Definitely an interesting one to look at. If I was to use this, I think I would definitely think about using this on a turkey or something that I'm going to be shooting a little bit closer. Again, I like mechanicals just because of that downrange accuracy. Now, going back to the rip tip design, I wanted to touch on a few of the features that come with this. One is to lock these blades in place, fully enclosed inside of this chamber, you have these shear pins. So these come with the broadheads as well. You rip these off. You have the blades enclosed, and there's going to be a small hole that runs through this, and that same hole runs through these blades on the very ends. And that is what your shear pin is going to be going through. You run this shear pin right through the middle, pull it all the way through until it clicks into place, and then you have a multi-pin tool here that has a little bit of a razor blade edge on it, which you can use to cut this shear pin off. I generally just take a razor blade and cut that flush with the actual ferrule. The other really cool thing about these broadheads that I love is that a lot of times it's really tough to practice with your broadhead because you're going to dull your blades, you don't really know what's going to happen, you don't want to damage anything. But what's unique about these is the practice clips that come with them. Now you can notice this yellow band that's on the top of this. This clips around the top rip tip ferrule and allows it, or actually doesn't allow it, to deploy when you're shooting it. When it makes impact, it'll keep that in place, keep the blades closed, so that you can practice with these broadheads as much as you want. This is what this broadhead is going to look like on an actual arrow. Really low profile, slim, sleek, an awesome broadhead, looks great, but more importantly is very accurate downrange. It's going to buck that wind with this low profile. Let us know if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. Thanks.